Hi guys, hi sir, welcome to my new channel. Anyway, I'm Rose Moreno from Dragon Mart, Dubai, UAE. So guys, I will show you what we have here in our showroom. So guys, let's go. So we will start here for outdoor light. So this one sir, this all for outdoor light for wall. This is the latest model. This Korea model. This all for outdoor light. Okay, and we have also this one for the boundary light, and we have solar light, this one, this floodlight. Okay, and we are going the another place for outdoor light section again. Yes, yes, this one guys is all for outdoor light, and this one outdoor light as well, and we have also for wall, and we have also for boundary light. You can put on the wall, this one for the boundary, this one guys, this one, you see that is all for boundary light and for wall light. Yeah, this one guys, this all for wall light. See that, this all. And we have also floodlight. We have 150 watts and 50 watts, 200 watts, 250 watts. See this one, and this one for solar light, and this one for floor light, and this one for staircase light. Yes guys, so we are going again. So let's go another section for the outdoor light, and this one guys, this all for outdoor light as well. Yeah, this all for outdoor light. See that, this all for outdoor light. So guys, let's go for the indoor light for wall. See that, we have Chanel heart, this one for all indoor light, and those one double, and we have also for single. See that, this all for wall light. See guys, this all for wall light, for indoor light. Yeah, and also we are going another light for wall light. So you can put this one for bedroom for wall light. This guys, this is the latest for the indoor light for wall. Yeah, see this one guys, see this one, and this one we have also for USB. This one have USB, there is USB here, this one, so you can adjust it. See, you can adjust it. This is the latest indoor light for wall. See this one. Okay guys, it's all for wall light. See guys, this is the latest one. Yes, and we have also guys for concrete. This one all for concrete light. Also you can put for ceiling light. So this one for concrete light. This one. We have round one and we have square one. This one for square one. We have 20 watts, 30 watts, 12 watts, 15 watts. It's called surface light. And guys, we have also for gypsum board. This one, guys. This one, you can change the lamp inside. This one frame, like this frame. See that one, all frame. And this one, frame with light, so removable light. And this one, see this one, for indoor light. You can put for ceiling light and wall light. So let's guys, see different color, guys. See, we have blue, see, white, changing color. See, so guys, and this one, all glass panel light for wall and outdoor. Continue ga. And this one for spotlight. Yes, second, I have customer. Sorry guys, because I have customer. See this one? It's very nice. Chandeliers light. And so let's go, guys. We have also this one for spotlight. If you have a big company, you want spotlight, and see, we have also spotlight square and round one. See this one double, and we have also single. See this one, guys. We have panel light. See this one, and we have also another one. This one surface light and down light. Yeah, this one. And we have also track light. See this one, track light. This one, guys. All track light. And guys, we have also this one, panel light. So you can put it ceiling light. And this one, track light. See this one, double, and we have also single one. See this one. See, right? And this one, different sizes, this one. And we have a single one, 15 watts. And double one, 30 watts. And this one, 45 watts. And this one, white, single one, 25 watts. And this one, 75 watts. For double, triple, 75 watts. Double, this 50 watts. For each, 25 watts. So guys, we are going. So I will show you our lights for 1 second, guys. For 3 meters for staircase. This one. So let's start for here. This one. This one, 3 meters, and change color, white, yellow, and mix. See the base. This 60 by 60. And we have also this one. See this one, same 60 by 60, 3 meters, change color. And this one, 90 by 90, the base, and 3 meters. This one, 3 meters. And this one is spiral light. See, 3 colors and 3 meters. And base 80 by 80. And this one, guys, same for staircase, 1 color. And this one, ring one, 3 colors and 90 by 90. And this one, balls, change color and base 90 by 90, 3 meters. We have 2.5 meters. This one. This one, guys, 2.5 meters. Yeah, this one. For staircase. Staircase as well. And this one, guys, same 2.5 meters, 3 colors. Staircase. Staircase light. And this one, see this one, for staircase light. All staircase light. But it's 2 meters or 2.5 meters. This one. This one, guys, 2.5 meters, spiral. Yeah. Okay, so let's go for dining. This one, guys. This one for dining. That one all for dining. This one all for dining. This one, guys, for dining. See the cup, glass, champagne glass. This one for dining. And we have sizes. This the base 80 by 80. And this one you can put for dining. This one ring one. This one ring one. And this one you can put for dining. This one for dining. This all for dining. And this one for dining. And this side this all here for dining. This all for dining. For 2 person, 3 person. See that one? It's all for dining. That's it. This one for all for dining. And this one, guys, you can put also for dining. This one, guys, glass. This all for dining, guys. So let's go for the sitting area. This one, guys. This one, guys, you can put for sitting area. Yeah, this one we have also for ceiling light. This one ceiling light. This all ceiling light. You can put for sitting area or this one, see the light. And that one you can put for dining, sitting area, bedroom. So this one, guys, is all. See this one. This all crystal change color. And also you can adjust it. See this one. You can adjust it, this one. This all for ceiling. This all for ceiling light. This one all for ceiling light. They have sizes 80 by 80 base. This one not hanging one. This for ceiling light 80 by 80. This change color. This a crystal.